Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having an amazing day. It's boy Jay back again with another video. If you guys see me in a random place, I was gonna get my one of my cars insured. Need to be renewed. It's gonna expire in a couple of days. If it sounds like I just woke up, it's because I actually did just wake up. I woke up, had some tea, and we're back out on the road. So we'll have to figure out pretty much what to do next later. And now let's just do a little motovlog. It's hot as well. It's just hot today. But the tires are all warmed up now, which is amazing. But yeah, it's really hot today. Yeah, hopefully you guys have an amazing time. It's been a long week. Just been very busy, so I want to get out and ride. It's month end for work, so yeah, it's 1 week away before we return back to office. So I'm very excited for that. Very excited to return back to the office. It's gonna be a fun time. And if I'm riding like I am now, I'm gonna be enjoying every morning ride home, probably like sweating like crazy. So gonna have to pack extra water. But overall, it's gonna be a fun time. I was honestly just going to like go renew the insurance on like one of the vehicles we have that's on my name. And the dealership's closed. It sucks though, really sucks. I know last year it was open this long weekend, but this year I guess they decided not to. I wonder if I could just go to another insurance agent. I could, but I've been with this one for so long, I'd rather just do it here. It's easy. Because tomorrow it's going to rain, then Monday is a long weekend, so it's a sad holiday. I might be able to go out and ride then too, but with the amount of uploads that I'm doing, I'd rather just get out now and record as much as I can. Because I noticed, like, yeah, I haven't posted any shorts in like a month and a half, 2 months, and I plan on like sitting down and doing the edits on my motovlogs, so I turn them into shorts. And I thought I only had like 8 motovlogs worth. I got like 24 to 32 motovlogs worth of videos I need to make into shorts. So that work is really backlogged right now. Let's go. Hell yeah. Smooth shifting. Let's go, man. That felt amazing. That felt good. It could have been better, but hey, that feels good, man. That feels amazing. That honestly feels amazing. Sweet. Yeah, so today's motovlog. I know right now it's like a little bit dry, but let's start a topic. It's heat wave, hot riding. Tips on when riding hot. Well, in hot weather. All right, stay hydrated. That's one thing. Get enough sleep. Make sure. First things first, make sure you're always hydrated. Drink lots of water. That's a normal thing, even when you're not riding. Just drink a lot of water. Drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated. That's the first one, even when you're not riding. Second one, which goes with that, if you are riding long distance, make sure to take breaks to eat a bit of food, have some water, or drink something so you have the energy. You might not know as you're riding that you're dehydrated or you're hungry, but you won't notice it, but others will in your performance when riding. So take little breaks here and there to fuel up both yourself and your bike. That's pretty good. Number 3, wear layers and maybe drop the leathers if you can, and wear the textile mesh riding gear. Is perforated, so it lets air in but still protects you. Like this jacket, I have it for about 2.5 years now, or more than that, I can't remember. I'm pretty sure I bought this a year before I started riding, and usually the last few months I've been riding in leather gear. But now I've switched over to this because when I'm riding to work, I want to see if this is actually good enough, if it'll keep me dry and cool, because I'll be wearing my work gear, which is like the dress shirt and all that, and I don't want to walk in there covered in sweat. So I'm trying to see if this keeps me cool. If this does, this is my go-to commuting jacket for the highway for work. And yeah, wear layers, and if it gets too hot, layer down a level, but that way you can stay protected and regulate your body temperature. There we go. And yeah, just wear layers, stay hydrated, try and not ride out in the intense heat if you can, and also ride at your own caution. Like ride at your, like, just be careful. If it seems too hot to ride and you feel like it will be detrimental to your health, then don't, unless you absolutely have to. If you do, layer on, use mesh textiles, and layer down when you need to. Drink plenty of water. Make sure your bike is like in tip-top shape. Make sure it's maintained so it doesn't overheat. If it does, if you feel signs of it overheating, pull over, let it cool down. Yeah, that's all I got right now for that. Just stay safe, guys. Just stay safe and just enjoy the weather. Oh, and if you have windshield and you haven't really attempted to try riding without a windshield, try it. All the wind that's going to be hitting your body will help cool you down if you can handle it. Hell yeah. If it's like high intense winds, then yeah, I get it, keep the windshield on. Like honestly, if I didn't have the windshield on right now, I'd be much cooler. But at the same time, I have this on, so when I go on the highways next week, rock chips don't like, that helps save me from a bunch of rock chips. So that's why I have this on. Oh shit. We'll record this another day or another time. We'll see how this goes. Too many people here, man. Like, holy golly. Can you guys take a break? Well, that was a failed attempt on teaching you guys how to ride. Oh, shit. Fuck. Yeah, I don't even know if I'm gonna like put everything like into like 2 different vlogs. Yeah, if you're listening, me from the future, when you're editing this video, just make it say the failed vlog. Just do something like that. Call it the failed vlog. Yeah. So anyways, this vlog is supposed to be 2 different vlogs. One was tips on riding in hot weather, and 2 would have been how to ride within 10 minutes on a motorcycle. How to ride a motorcycle within under 10 minutes. I'm probably gonna have to record that another day. So for now, I'm gonna call this video here because there are way too many people in that parking lot, and it's the middle of the day. So I'll try and find another spot and record it either today or tomorrow or Monday, whichever day works. But I'm going to be recording that, and that's going to be the next video after this, a failed motovlog. And we shall see what we do next afterwards. Alright? Anyways, thank you all for watching and bearing with this failed attempt at a video for content creation on my motorcycle channel. Well, not I said motorcycle channel, man. That's a sign it's been too long where I haven't done car stuff. And I have a full-on story for you guys about the recent project car we got. And man, oh man, is it terrible, man. It's probably pushing me away from buying any car from that brand for a while. Like, goddamn, it's a terrible experience, man. Let me tell you. Let me tell you, man. Oh my god. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna end that here. It's like a really failed attempt at a motovlog. I apologize to you guys. I'll do better for the next one, or the ones afterwards. Everything after now, I promise to do better. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. This light's not gonna go for a while now, is it? Hey, we had 3333. Hey, 33,336 kilometers. Bike's due for maintenance soon. Maybe that's what I'll do today. Afterwards, I'll go do an oil change on this thing. All right, guys. See ya.